Relaxation meditation. Practicing relaxation meditation at work or at home every day or every week will benefit anyone. No matter what your job is, you can always find a place to relax for 15 minutes at work, and the same is true at home. After practicing successfully, you can lead a relaxation meditation session for your family or colleagues. You should practice relaxation meditation at work every day. If you are sick, you cannot work effectively, and sometimes you have to take time off work. Therefore, spending 15 minutes of relaxation meditation after every 3 or 4 hours of work is very practical and helps reduce costs for the company. You can lead a meditation session yourself, and you will feel very happy. When you can make people comfortable and happy, your happiness is even greater. We can use the following instructions to guide the group to relax. A bell can be rung at the beginning and end of the session. If practicing alone, we can listen to the instructions on the CD. Lie comfortably on your back with your arms hanging down. Relax your whole body. Bring awareness to the floor or mattress under your back and feel the contact between your back and the floor or mattress. Allow your body to sink. Now pay attention to your breathing in and out. Follow your breathing and pay attention to the rise and fall of your abdomen. In, out, rising, falling, rising, falling. Breathing in, breathing out. I feel my whole body light, like a duckweed floating on the water. No need to go anywhere. No need to do anything. I am free like a floating cloud. Breathing in, pay attention to my eyes. Breathing out, relax my eyes. Let my eyes rest. Breathe in. Relax the muscles around my eyes. Breathing out, send love to my eyes, thank my eyes. Thanks to my eyes, I can see so many colors, so much beauty. Breathing in, pay attention to my mouth. Breathing out, relax my mouth. Release all tension in my mouth. My lips are flower petals. Let the flower bloom on my lips. Smile to let hundreds of muscles on the surface relaxation is achieved. The muscles in the cheeks, jaw, and chin are no longer tense. Inhale, focusing on the shoulders. Exhale, relaxing the shoulders. Let the shoulders sink down to the floor, releasing all the accumulated tension into the ground. The shoulders, once heavy, now allow them to be at ease. Inhale, focusing on the arms. Exhale, letting the arms relax. Let the arms sink down to the floor. Relax the upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, hands, fingers. Move the fingers gently to enhance relaxation. Inhale, focusing on the heart. Exhale, relaxing the heart. For a long time, our eating, working, worrying, and stress have unknowingly mistreated our heart. Our heart works tirelessly day and night. Now we embrace the heart with all tenderness, love, and care. Inhale, focusing on the legs. Exhale, relaxing the legs. Let the thighs relax. Knees, calves, ankles, feet, toes. Move the toes gently to enhance relaxation. Send love and care down to the toes. Focus on the breath, on the rising and falling of the abdomen. Observe the breath and pay attention to the hands and feet. Move the hands and feet gently. Gently sit up and stand up. Practice this for 5 minutes or longer. Additionally, we can modify the above guidance to suit the circumstances. This practice directs attention to each part of the body: head, hair, ears, neck, lungs, internal organs, for example, digestive system, and any part that needs care or healing. We embrace each part of the body, sending love, gratitude, and care with each inhalation and exhalation.